welcome back to Lavanya Cuties. So, ఈరోజు వీడియో ఏంటంటే స్లైమ్ మేకింగ్. సో నాతో పాటు ఎవరు చేస్తున్నారంటే
I'm Srinija.
and I'm Nitya.
We all are friends.
Let's get started.
For making slime, these are the ingredients all you need. First is glue. We are using clear pink glue. And next is contact lens solution, which acts like an activator. Who doesn't have activator can use contact lens solution and body lotion. And these are
Sprinkles.
not sprinkles. These are like glitters or something.
That's optional. You all can add a
Okay,
color
stop.
with glitter.
See, we have so many colors.
So we are going to use this.
We are using this rainbow sprinkles. Oh, you're throwing them down.
Sorry.
Okay. Let's close all the boxes. We also need baking soda. We forgot it. We kept it in a newspaper for a little bit. So yeah, let's get started.
So our process starts here.
First, you need glue. First process is glue. You need to put glue, in whatever you're making. After making slime, important thing is you need to put your slime in an airtight container so that will not get dry and stays for so many days. So she's adding glue.
We are using some clear
Pink glue. You can use white glue, Fevicol, whatever. We have clear glue. It is only clear glue is available, so we are making with that only. Color is also optional, but we got pink because everyone's favorite is pink. We got pink. If you want any other color, you could add it. Slowly.
Totally, it's over.
First time we are doing 3 bottles.
Because
That sound. Alright, we're done.
yesterday we listened.
It is full. Wait, it is full, sir. It is full. I hope it will not fall. And
Now next we should add some
baking soda.
fullers.
Not full. Should not add too much baking soda. Should add very little. So,
Just 1 spoon, half.
yes.
2 spoons.
Not 2 spoons.
There's
no,
no
it
correct
will be on the
quantity.
quantity of the glue you put in that to make slime. I'm adding.
There is no
spoon.
correct
Yes.
way to tell how much we
Mix
should
it.
add or
Yes,
not.
we need to mix it. It is getting together. Nitya, mix and see. You will only know. Wait a second. You will get to know that it's like getting together.
But
To the spoon. Wait. Mix slowly. Don't you think?
yeah, I think so.
Okay. Hey. It's like getting together, right?
Yeah.
So give me the spoon.
It's good.
So yeah, now could you catch the spoon? Otherwise, it will swim in the slime. I mean, not slime glue.
Next
So,
we should add
next we
1
should add-
pump of.
Not pump how much ever. It will depend on the
Yeah,
slime
for us it
glue
will
quantity.
take, yeah.
Or you could use any body lotion. We are using Nivea or something.
Nivea. So this helps to get a neat moisture and a fluffy
Fluffy.
slime, fluffy texture.
It's slowly.
It's not falling down. I saw it.
It's getting baby pink actually.
Yeah, that's super cute color.
Wait, remove.
After you mix a little bit, you should add a little bit if you want.
I think I added a little, so I added more. And you're done? Wait, leave it.
That looks super pretty.
Could you
And
catch this?
baby pink.
And now time for
Activator or borax or
whatever.
which
This is very
activates-
important actually. In normal YouTube, they show that some with shampoo water, Colgate water, they make slime, but that is all not true.
Yeah,
So-
detergent water.
Detergent, yes. Oh, shoot. Time for contact lens solution. 1, 2 drops. It depends on how much. Every ingredient of the slime depends on how much glue you add. Slowly, slowly, please. Hari, we should add sprinkles, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's.
This is actually this is very much optional. You could use thermocol, beads, glues, and in international slime we use it. Put rice, cornflakes.
Yeah. So now let's add. We can add it with our
Hand. Is that good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I think we should add. We have so many colors, so I think we need to add different kinds of things.
But it will look super ugly if we add
No,
different.
little.
Yeah.
Yes. So we are adding a little bit gold. Actually, we thought of silver, but we don't.
Yeah,
have
it's
silver.
enough. It's enough.
It's enough.
Okay. A little bit of this.
Wait, we'll add. Chino?
Yeah, that
Could you
looks
give me this
so
one?
pretty.
Yes, yes, we're done. Next, could you add a little bit more?
How many
Done,
minutes
done.
it will?
Take.
Yeah.
We are making a little bit big slime, but it takes a little time. If it is a small slime, actually you could do it in 5 minutes. Slime lovers like this video.
And subscribe to Lavanya Cutie.
We are going to put more videos.
Of
If you want slime videos,
Please
comment down below.
We will keep part 2 also.
Yes, part 2, part 3, how many?
No, just your part.
If they ask more, we'll put more. So yeah.
Here, there is no correct quantity how much you add.
Yes.
So how much?
I think we need to add more. Can I add?
I think we need
If you want to buy, if you don't want to buy activator and buy this contact lens solution, you'll get it in medical stores, eye medical shops.
ENT specialist.
Yes. Guys, comment down below. Also use who mom hates slime and doesn't allow. My mom hates slime and glue.
Oh. I think it's getting together.
Yes, it's getting to
And
it.
sprinkles
looks
is
super
good. Fluffy it looks.
It looks like
Candy.
No, it looks like topping of the donut.
Do you want to
they
eat
do
it?
with
Yeah.
pink, some icing and
Yeah.
sprinkles. It looks like
Do you
that.
want to eat it? Is it candy?
If it is edible, I would definitely eat it
Yeah.
because it looks so yummy.
Huh?
Yes, it looks yummy.
Do you want to eat it?
If it is edible, I am going to eat. Oh my god, it's taking so much time. I think we need to add more. Definitely, we need to add more.
Are you sure?
Yes. I think we need to. I think we would. We should use a bigger bowl or something. I thought it would be enough, but it was like.
So we will meet you all after this becomes like a fluffy slime.
Not fluffy. When it. We're still mixing. It's taking a lot of time. Oh my god. Actually, we never made this many. We made only 1 bottle slime or something, but we never made 3 bottles of glue. Thing. So first time, and I'm happy actually,
Why?
because we're making a big amount of slime. This is looking so pretty. Show this, please. Look, guys. It is so pretty.
It looks like cotton candy.
Candy and some.
Starburst pink.
Oh, Guys, if any disturbance, please ignore. We are doing it outside for good lighting and all. Oh, look at the bubble.
I saw it.
It is mix. Oh my god, it's taking time. It's sticking in my hands when I'm mixing. Nitya, do you want to mix?
Yeah.
Actually, she really want to, but I'm doing it. Because they never make slime at their home. I make first. I'm like the expert. I'm going to add bend so they can. It's getting together, guys.
Yeah, as you all can see, it's getting together.
Look that. Oh my god. So guys, Nitya went back. I came in. I think we should add more sprinkles, so we are adding.
I think that's enough.
Look what Shilu made over here. So guys, please subscribe. It's getting together. Guys, it is getting together. Look. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. Guys, the bubbles are becoming bigger. They're so poppy. It's sticking so much. Can I add some activator here or something? So that it will not stick down. No. Yes, this is going to be the last one.
Oh yeah, that's
Good. Look at the sound like. It's like mixing some water or something. If I add it down, it gets stick. Nitya,
God, it's
don't do that. It's sticking. It is going to be wasted.
Ah. My god.
She cutted it.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to add
Hey,
the
no.
last drop. No problem, Chini. Oh my god. Oh wow.
Take it.
Wait. It's like actually satisfying when it's dropping. Wow. Yes. Can you stop it? Wow, it is so satisfying. You know what, guys? At the starting, you need to get the slime should get like friendly with you. Like, if you play with it, it's not going to be sticky. If you don't play, it's going to be sticky. It should get used to your hands. Then
I think we need to add a little drop of.
Wait, let's add. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
I think that's enough.
Yes, that's enough. Oh. Guys, when we add slime at here, this whatever it this is like a wood table and this became wet. Oh, I think it will go. Oh my god, come a little closer. This is way more better than shop slime. Way more better.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not sticking at all.
Camera girl is also want to stick.
We should add a little more contact lens, or we should mix so that it becomes non-stick.
No need.
We need to just mix a lot so that it
Oh my god. Guys, please like this video. Don't, it's very sticky. I'm only trying to remove this. It's not.
just stick it into your hands.
This is the best slime ever. I think we need to add a little rainbow slime. Okay. Yes, it actually is very less. I think we need to add a little drop of contact lens solution. Can anyone get it? Yes. I'm going to add. Wait. Make it like chapati. Chance we're talking about that. Actually, guys, this is my mother's. She don't know. If she knows, I'm dead. Oh my god, it is sticking. Can I try? Wait, let's take it with a spoon. Wait, let's take it with a spoon. Oh my god.
Take a picture.
Ew, that's so sticky. You could even actually add oil to your hands if it is sticking. Wait. With the
Really
bubbles.
sticky.
We are going to make bubbles. So stay tuned. Watch the video till end. Oh my god. Wait, it's getting together.
We are trying to take, but it's not.
It's sticking. Actually, I did a wrong thing. I'm putting into this. It's getting. Oh my god. My hands are paining.
I'll try to remove.
Take it. I said you right.
That's sticking to my hands so badly.
I think we have to add 2 drops of contact lens.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure.
It's actually bigger than my hand. It's not fitting in my. Oh my god.